In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's viewpoint on AMP future while examining AMP cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which truly is very critical. Kindly certainly remember that you ought to believe this and any exceptionally other expectation tentatively, since anticipating anything is an unpleasant undertaking. Generally truly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like AMP, or so they explicitly thought. Presently, we should head into it in a truly all things considered, large way. Before we dive especially commonly profound into the AMP value forecast and answer questions in the event that AMP especially sort of is an actually wise venture or not. For what reason will AMP succeed or in a real sense by and large fall flat, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly especially toss a look at what most certainly is AMP in its to-date history in an exceptionally huge manner in an unpretentious way. What in every way that really matters is AMP crypto, which most certainly is genuinely critical. AMP generally is a type of cryptographic money that goes about as security, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The digital money especially is presently utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, which generally is very critical. That basically implies it can explicitly in every practical sense be utilized to in a real sense cover any monetary exchanges that actually basically turn out badly in the event that the need emerges, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, the crypto fundamentally is cooperated with certainly a few administrations, exceptionally like Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, and Uniswap, which really is very critical. It's likewise truly worth bringing up that there in every practical sense is a decent worth of AMP available for use to in every way that really matters. Safeguard it from unpredictability and in every practical sense, significant way, which is very huge. Flexa generally is an installment network that permits clients to basically sort of spend Bitcoin and essentially other digital currencies at retailers like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Flexa installment generally is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, which truly is genuinely critical, which generally is genuinely huge. Utilizing Flexa, you can really make moment and extortion-resistant installment to retailers without the need to sort of all things considered, uncover delicate kind of private data in an unpretentious manner amazingly. As a Flexa client, essentially your spending limit certainly is generally covered at $US 250 each week, which resets to $0 each Friday, as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP generally sort of is the kind of symbolic that explicitly really makes Flexa's moment installment authorizations pretty beautiful conceivable. Consider AMP publicly supported certainly genuinely security i.e., which for the most part is very critical. Security to decentralize installment risk, which certainly is very huge, which is very critical. As an AMP holder you can stake AMP tokens, which will commonly be utilized to ensure installment exchanges and various monetary standards in a kind of lovely significant manner. AMP value expectation for the quite next 90 days in an unpretentious manner. The in every way that really matters. Entire crypto world certainly basically is on an edge of an undeniable explicitly bear market in a truly significant manner, which is very huge. Bitcoin for the most part has in a real sense sort of drooped half from its untouched kind of in every way that really matters. High in the midst of the more extensive market fundamentally drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, which by and large is genuinely critical incredibly. Financial backers basically especially are selling hazardous resources and moving into commonly more especially genuinely stable business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Crypto most certainly is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play and thus the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in the sort of second piece of the time of some sort or another, or so they basically thought. This generally basically is in every way that really matters, reflected in our 2022 forecasts amazingly. At the present time, Bitcoin's sort of requirements to essentially find a pretty fundamentally nearby base before we can move in the very inverse course and by and large alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to essentially especially do likewise. We explicitly truly have seen this situation many times in the removed and in every practical sense, sort of later history. So as a Flexa client pretty reasonably your spending limit truly is somewhat covered at $US 250 each week, which resets to no every Friday and in all things considered, most certainly huge way in a significant way. Our cost expectation model by and large truly is negative for the very next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, or so they essentially especially thought in an unobtrusive manner. We quite expect whales and essentially lovely other kind of basically greater players in the market to really wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture in a really significant manner. Essentials that we certainly assess most certainly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical in every practical sense, potential and a few fundamentally other most certainly exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they truly thought incredibly. 2022 1111, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. 4.43% $0.0047 2022 1112, which especially truly is very huge, plus 2.57% $0.0050 2022 1113 in an unobtrusive manner. 2.79% $0.0048 2022 1114. Plus 1.09% $0.0050 2022 1115 in a truly in every practical sense, significant way in an unobtrusive way. 3.50% $0.0047 2022 1116 in an unobtrusive manner. 5.23% $0.0046 2022 1117, showing that Flexa generally is an installment network that permits clients to in a real sense spend Bitcoin and most certainly other digital currencies at retailers like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's in an especially significant manner in a huge way. 2.23% $0.0048 2022 1118, which fundamentally shows that what basically is AMP crypto, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. 4.30% $0.0047 2022 1119 in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. 1.29% $0.0048 2022 1120. 8.47% $0.0045 2022 1121 in an every practical sense, significant way in a sort of enormous way. 3.74% $0 value expectation 2022, or so they generally thought. Our expectation model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2022 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. 2022 NAV, which for the most part is genuinely huge. 8.96% $0.0045 2022 decamazingly. 26.09% $0.0036 2023 Jan, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. 22.02% $0.0038 2023 Feb, which really is very critical. 17.25% $0.0041 2023 blemish, which sort of is genuinely critical. 3.96% $0.0047 2023 APRA. 1.81% $0.0048 2023 May,